Welcome to MojisStyle Plus.
Everyone, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful lamp here. Here's my inspiration here. It is going for $258. And I also had a second inspiration. Here it is. So if you want to see how I made mine, just keep watching. So for this project here, you would need 3 of the stacking organizer from the Dollar Tree. I'll leave a list of all the items that I use in the description box. So for this organizer here, you're going to have to take out the drawer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now we have 3 of the containers here. You want to make sure that the bottom part of the container is the opening part. And then the top part is where we're going to attach our next piece. So we're going to just go ahead and get started. So to attach this 3 containers together, we're going to be using E6000 and hot glue. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my E6000 all around the bottom of the first container, making sure that the opening of the container is facing the bottom side. And also I am doing that for the second one here. So I applied E6000 to the bottom of that, and then I applied hot glue to that, and then I placed that with the second container. The next step is to place the mirror onto our containers. While you're doing this, you want to make sure that you pay attention to the container because it does have 2 different sides. So you want to make sure that all the right sides are facing the same direction. So to do this, I'm using E6000 and hot glue. So you want to do this for the front and the back of this frame here. So for the sides, we're going to be using this picture frame, also from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be removing the mirrors from the frame. I did this before in a previous DIY, but I'll go ahead and show you how to do that again. So all you want to do is just kind of pull the mirrors apart, and eventually it does come off. So you should have 2 of the long mirrors and 2 of the smaller mirrors. So for the sides, I'll be using 6 of the longer mirrors and 2 of the smaller mirrors. So the small ones, I placed it at the very top. So I have 6 of the longer mirrors and 2 of the small ones at the top. So to attach this to my containers, I'm just going to go ahead and use hot glue and E6000. And you want to do this for both sides. So for the weight of this lamp, I am using this bag of gems. It's quite heavy, and I attached it using hot glue and E6000, and that's why we have the bottom part open. So the next step is to place the next design onto our mirror. So I have 3 of this picture frames here, and we're also going to create another design at the top, and that's where this comes in. So we're going to be placing the longer mirror across, and the shorter one is connecting the 2 frames together. So again, the longer mirror across and the shorter one is connecting 2 of the frames together. So to attach this, I'm using E6000 and hot glue, and I am carefully positioning it where I want it positioned. So you want to do this for the front and the back part of this frame. Or you can leave the back blank if you want. It's up to you. So now that we have the frame of our lamp together, we're going to just go ahead and create the base for this. So to do this, we'll be using this 4x6 picture frame and the other picture frame that we've been using. So we're just going to layer both together. So to attach this, I'll be using E6000 and hot glue. So here it is here. I've already applied my E6000 and hot glue, and it is not going anywhere. And then I positioned the body of my lamp onto that base to kind of see where it connects with the bottom part. And then I applied E6000 and hot glue to the bottom part, and I placed the body on top of it, holding it so that the hot glue would dry and the E6000 would dry over time in the next couple of days. And for the very top part, you can use this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I also have this one from Target. I kind of like it because it's more of a square shape. So that is what I'll be using to connect my lampshade to the body of the lamp. So to attach this, again, we're using hot glue and E6000. And here's my lampshade here. Five Below does sell lampshades for about $3, or you can repurpose one that you already have in the house. And this battery operated light, it's also from Five and Below for about $3 to $4, and it has a switch at the bottom, and I like that I can have that option instead of using a regular lamp. And here is the final result of this DIY here. I really love the way this turned out, and it really goes well with my style. Here is option 1. I did add some gems to kind of make it more dramatic. Let me know if you will go for option 1. And here is option 2. I took the gems off and it gives it more of a clean look. Let me know if you're more of the option 2. Leave me a comment below and let me know. Let's get the conversation going down in the comment section. And I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, I'd love for you to join the MojisStyle family by hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys have a blessed week. Love you all. Bye bye.